Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Pros on Monday the 11th of April with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Ansett Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And the decline in the dollar yen has been one of the big stories in the FX world in the last week or so. Accelerating lower. You've seen a slight sort of consolidation today. But looking at again at Friday's candle, it's just rebounded initially and then closed at the day low. You actually saw from the 107.67, you actually saw a pretty good, pretty good rally actually, about 140 odd ticks to unwind that move, but again fell over, and it was just basically suggests that the rallies are being seen as a chance to sell still. And I still think that's going to be the case. Now, the big caveat to this whole situation would become the possibility of BOJ interventions, and whether that happens or not, we don't know yet. The BOJ is likely to be thinking about it. According to Governor Karuda today, that they are looking at the markets and the impact it's going to have on the economy. So that leaves open the door to possible intervention, but no signs of it yet. So I think for now you've got to still play this to the downside. You've still got this downtrend intact over the past week or so on the hourly chart. Rallies are being seen as a chance to sell. That Friday rally of 140 odd ticks just unwound back to that downtrend, sold off again. Momentum indicators as well on the hourly chart just unwound nicely. Continue to see the RSI just rebounding to sort of 50 to 60 area, where the sort of rallies fall over, the MACD lines unwind back to neutral, fall over. So these are all sort of suggestions that the market is still pretty negative on dollar yen, and further downside is likely to be seen. Now we've got the projection downside of that band, that trading band, projected lower. 107.15 area is basically it, and then you've got 107 figure area, sort of the long-term target from this sort of big head and shoulders top pattern that comes in around 107 figure. So there is prospect of further weakness still, but using little rallies as a chance to sell, because it certainly looks as though we're going to get further weakness in this chart, and it certainly seems to be that way at the moment, and that is in the absence of substantial intervention by the BOJ, which obviously we cannot predict at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.